There is something undeniably magical about a French country bedroom. It feels romantic without being overwhelming, elegant without appearing expensive, and timeless without feeling outdated. In today's makeover, we are transforming an ordinary bedroom into a dreamy French country retreat filled with vintage charm, soft textures, and shabby chic details. The best part is that this beautiful transformation is achieved on a budget, proving that luxury-inspired design does not always require a luxury price tag. Before introducing furniture and decor, it is important to understand the heart of French country design. Inspired by the charming countryside homes of rural France, this style celebrates comfort, authenticity, and graceful aging. Rather than focusing on perfection, French country interiors embrace character through distressed finishes, antique-inspired pieces, and natural materials. Every element feels collected over time, creating a bedroom that tells a story instead of simply following trends. The foundation of this makeover begins with a delicate color palette that instantly creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. Soft whites, creamy beige tones, muted blush pinks, and gentle taupe shades work together to establish a sense of serenity. These colors reflect the romantic spirit of shabby chic interiors while maintaining the refined elegance associated with French country homes. The result is a bedroom that feels bright, airy, and effortlessly sophisticated. Every beautiful bedroom needs a centerpiece, and in this transformation, the bed naturally becomes the star of the room. A vintage-inspired headboard with graceful curves introduces classic French character, while layered bedding adds depth and comfort. Crisp white linens are combined with soft floral accents and delicate ruffled details, creating a luxurious look that feels welcoming rather than formal. This layered approach instantly elevates the space without requiring costly designer furnishings. One of the secrets behind the cozy appeal of French country interiors is the thoughtful use of texture. Instead of relying on bold colors or dramatic patterns, this makeover focuses on creating visual interest through layers of fabric and natural materials. Soft cotton bedding, textured throws, embroidered pillows, and delicate lace accents work together to create warmth and depth. These subtle layers make the bedroom feel comfortable, lived in, and full of personality. Furniture selection plays a major role in bringing this French country vision to life. Rather than purchasing expensive matching sets, this makeover embraces affordable vintage-inspired pieces that showcase charm and individuality. Distressed bedside tables, weathered finishes, and elegant carved details add a sense of history to the room. These imperfections are not flaws but valuable design features that contribute to the authentic and welcoming atmosphere that defines the French country aesthetic. Once the larger furniture pieces are in place, decorative accessories begin to transform the room into a truly enchanting retreat. Vintage picture frames, delicate floral arrangements, decorative trays, and antique-inspired ornaments introduce layers of visual interest throughout the space. Each accessory is carefully selected to support the romantic story of the room. The beauty of shabby chic decorating lies in mixing affordable treasures with timeless elegance, creating a look that feels both personal and sophisticated. No French country bedroom feels complete without a touch of nature. Floral patterns and fresh botanical accents introduce softness and life into the space while reinforcing the romantic countryside atmosphere. Whether incorporated through bedding, wall art, decorative arrangements, or subtle textiles, floral details create a sense of freshness and harmony. These natural touches connect the interior to the beauty of the outdoors, making the bedroom feel peaceful, charming, and wonderfully inviting. With the main furniture and decorative accents in place, attention now turns to the walls. In French country design, walls are more than simple backgrounds, they contribute significantly to the room's personality. For this makeover, vintage-inspired artwork, ornate frames, and delicate botanical prints help create a curated and collected appearance. Rather than covering every surface, a carefully balanced arrangement allows each piece to stand out. This thoughtful approach adds elegance and depth while maintaining the relaxed atmosphere that makes French country interiors so appealing. The windows provide another opportunity to introduce romance and softness into the bedroom. Heavy, formal drapery is replaced with lightweight fabrics that gently frame the natural views outside. Soft linen curtains in neutral tones enhance the airy feeling of the room while adding texture and movement. Their flowing appearance creates a sense of effortless beauty that perfectly complements the shabby chic aesthetic. As daylight filters through the fabric, the room feels brighter, more inviting, and connected to the peaceful countryside inspiration behind the design. The true magic of any well-designed room often lies in the smallest details. Decorative books, vintage-inspired clocks, ceramic vases, and delicate trinkets are thoughtfully arranged throughout the bedroom to create visual layers. Instead of overcrowding shelves and surfaces, each item is given space to be appreciated. This intentional styling approach helps the room feel refined rather than cluttered. Every decorative piece contributes to a larger story, creating a bedroom that feels collected over time rather than assembled all at once. One of the most rewarding aspects of this makeover is demonstrating that beautiful design does not have to come with a high price tag. Many of the room's most charming features can be found through secondhand shopping, thrift stores, flea markets, and affordable home decor collections. By focusing on quality textures, timeless shapes, and carefully chosen accents, the bedroom achieves a luxurious appearance without exceeding the budget. This transformation proves that creativity and thoughtful design choices often matter far more than expensive purchases. Now it is time to focus on one of the most transformative elements of the entire bedroom, lighting. In a French country space, lighting should feel warm, gentle, and inviting rather than harsh or overly modern. Elegant bedside lamps with fabric shades, vintage-inspired sconces, and soft ambient lighting help create a cozy atmosphere throughout the room. The goal is not simply to illuminate the space but to enhance its romantic character. As the evening arrives, these layers of warm light reveal the textures, colors, and decorative details in the most beautiful way possible. As every design element comes together, the bedroom is completely transformed into a dreamy French country retreat. The soft color palette, vintage furniture, romantic textiles, floral accents, and carefully layered decor work in harmony to create a space that feels both elegant and welcoming. What was once an ordinary bedroom now radiates warmth, charm, and timeless beauty. Every corner reflects the relaxed sophistication of countryside living, offering a peaceful escape from the demands of everyday life. This makeover is a reminder that creating a beautiful home is not about following every trend or spending a fortune. It is about designing spaces that make you feel comfortable, inspired, and connected to your personal style. Whether you incorporate a single vintage accent or completely transform your bedroom, French country design offers endless opportunities to create warmth and character. Thank you for joining Decoholic on this inspiring journey. If you enjoyed this dreamy French country bedroom makeover, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beautiful decorating ideas that bring timeless elegance into everyday living.